is going on?
Welcome to the party. Who wants to shoot first? Okay, so I'm going to have you load first, okay? I want you to ignore the gun. You're going to hold on to the seat. Step on that dart step right there. All the way to the right. There we go. Alright, man, you're next. You're in that seat right there, brother. Seat belts are exactly like the airlines. Perfect. This one right here. Nope. There we go. Now I want you to loose fit it first. Kick your left foot out, face the gun. Yep, put your foot right there. Yep, face the gun. And then make all the adjustments you need to. Are you good? Alright, swing your left foot back in.
Welcome aboard, I'm Bradley, I'll be driving. How you guys doing today? Alright, if you want us to hear you, you gotta put your boom mics right in front of your mouth and talk like I had just crashed your favorite car and you're not too happy about it.
Can you hear me, Jenny?
No.
Can you hear me?
He's nice and quiet, but you gotta be pretty loud. I could turn some more ICS up here.
Alright, you guys good?
Alright, and then before we get going, do you have any questions on the flight safety briefing? Good, both seats. Alright, it's gonna be bumpy. What we're going to do is just left orbits around the mountains. I'll try and call out when it's going to be bumpy, but it's not too bad today, so. Alright, other than that, throttle rotor systems, we have fuel and the warning lights, captain and weapon secure.
I got all secure.
Clear right now.
Clear left and up.
Alright, wind check. Looks like I'm mellowed out for the moment. Let's get on with it. I'm going to forego the music just so we can hear each other in case you're not cool with the bumps. Hover power's good, slide left.
Slide left.
Speed right turn.
Right turn, I got you all clear for South Kingston.
Roger, keeping it in. The best thing for us to do is keep moving. That means it's harder to shoot, but it's actually quite a bit more fun, so. The more you relax on that gun and just watch where they're hitting, the better.
The cameras are rolling? The cameras are rolling?
Yep. I got you all clear for North Kingston.
Roger, you're clear to load your discretion. I'm going to extend my downwind.
Roger, good copy. Thank you much.
Alright, slow it down. I'll try and keep you guys in the smoother stuff here.
I have a hot gun, my control. Hot gun, my control.
Roger, medium right turn.
Right turn, hit it. I got you clear.
And backstop your shooter.
Backstop my shooter. Alright, dude, you ready? Kick it out. Right hand. Whoop. Left hand. Red dot's in here. Put your left hand right here. Can you see the red dot? Your target's in front of the white sandbags. You see it? Alright, dude, hit it. Good, man. There we go. There we go. Got on the rock right here. Got on the rock. Low left, low left, low left.
Nice, there you go.
Good shit, man.
Alright, I'm going to bring the speed in once we level out at your gun.
Stand by, wait for my go, wait for my go. We got 5 targets, you see them? Alright, open fire, run the gun. Hit it. It's that guy in the opening right there. Dead trigger.
Dead trigger, Roger, continuing around back. Expect some bumps.
Roger.
Bring you up at a little higher angle here.
Hot gun maintaining control.
Roger, left turn.
Left turn.
You did pretty good though. Did the advanced course today.
Well, we just need a couple M4s where we can stand in the right here and shoot. Next time we'll do it like this. Have eyes on target, 11 o'clock.
Alright, your shooter.
10 o'clock, backstop, my shooter. Alright, man, you ready? Hit it, dude!
Perfect run.
Good!
Not bad at all, sir.
Are you good with the round count? Do you want to do 100 more?
I'm okay.
Perfect, brother. Swing your left foot back in. Alright, let's go.
On the go.
On the go. Good shooting, man. That was perfect. Machine guns 101.
Crossing wires.
Crossing right side. Yeah, after you're done, you should just boogie out, bud.
I'll get her all set up. You guys will be right behind me anyway. I gotta swing by the cafe and see what she needs, but if you guys want to come, that'd be fun. All good. Looks like the winds are shifting a little on us.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna adjust here.
Got it. Very nice.
She's making up her mind. She wants to go to spring. Just sit tight. Stand by and pull down in center. You guys are good to unbuckle, switch seats.
Switch.
Yeah, you're good this one. Thank you for asking. So orange is on the same volume channel as your headset rolling.
Is it?
Yeah. So with you, same thing. If you want to kick your left foot down on the circle, you're back against the wall. And now I want you to see the part facing rolling, that short one, tighten that down. There you go. Nice and snug on your hips. And then if you fog up, feel free to pull your mask down. You're not hurting anyone's feelings here.
Are you comfy with your seatbelt? You good? You good, brother? Cool. Round count 200. Say again, 200.
Roger that. Winds out of the north.
Roger.
Before takeoff checks are good.
I got cabin. Weapon secure.
Clear right now.
Clear. Left and up.
Alright, tail's coming left.
Roger, swing it. You're clear.
You okay to take a picture?
Yeah, you can. Yep.
As long as it's a good one.
Awesome.
I got you all clear for south casing.
Roger.
I got you clear north.
Clear to load.
Roger, clear to load by one.
Yeah, they're out of the north now.
Again, my control.
Roger, backstop will be your discretion. I'm going to do a nice easy right turn here.
Roger. Right, clear wash.
Speed is going to be pretty high with them out of the northeast.
Roger. Eyes on target, backside my shooter.
Your shooter.
You ready? Kick it out. Right hand. Left hand. Red dot. Trigger's going to be inside here.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Ready?
Hit it. Good. Good. See the guy on the rock right here? 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Low. Remember, long squeezes, long squeezes.
What?
Long squeezes. Wait for my go, wait for my go. Do you see along the targets? You got 5.
Alright.
Stand by.
Yeah.
Stand by. We're going to push forward slowly. Alright, run it. There we go. Hit that guy on the... There we go, the clear. Get trigger, get trigger. This guy doesn't like the south side for some reason, huh? Alright. Alright, Gary, we're going to go back around. On the gun. Let me know what's on target. Hit it. Good job.
Nice work.
Good job. Good job.
Go, Jenny.
Are you good with that round count? Do you want to do 100 more?
We're good.
You all good? Perfect. Alright, rounds complete, RTB.
Roger that.
Good job, guys. Good shooting, man.
Alright, right turn, fires in sight.
Right turn.
Crossing the pole.
Roger, crossing. I got you crossed. It's cold out there, dude.
A little bit.
Clear down to the left. Hang on, guys, hang on.
Pull down at center, going vital.
Alright, you guys are clear to unbuckle. Thank you for flying with Gunship Airlines. You earn 0 frequent flyer miles. When you guys get out, watch your hands. That gun is a little bit testy. Nice, calm, cool, and collected. You're going to go straight to the sandbags, okay?
Thanks.
Nice shooting, you guys.
Thanks a lot.
I'll see y'all next week.
Sounds good.
You go to Tom. There we go. Good shooting, man.
Thank you.